Hey, take a look at this. I just used one AI website to create this awesome Instagram model with same faces. Pretty cool, right? But wait, there's more. Now get ready for something totally wild. Brace yourselves as I swap her face in a mind-blowing video. See. Amazing, right? So, welcome to the future of AI. In this video, I'm about to show you how you can create stunning Instagram models and earn over $1,000 per month through paid collaborations. While there are tons of videos out there, creating face swap videos for Instagram models usually involves complex coding stuff that's tough for everyone. But don't worry. In this video, I'll reveal one AI website that lets you create stunning Instagram models and swap faces in videos with just one click. No complex procedures required. So let's get started.
So here I will create a new account with the name Lily Bennett for myself. So you can choose whatever name you like. So here my account is ready. Now I need pictures and videos for my fake Instagram influence. So now I will tell you an easiest way through which you can generate your Instagram models. So first of all, simply go to this website called designs.ai. You will find the link in the description box. Simply create a new account over here using your Google or Facebook account. So once signed up, you will see this beautiful interface where you will find so many tools including Face Swapper, Image Maker, AI Writer, Video Maker, Logo Maker, Image to Text, Design Maker and Speech Maker. So this one website has everything you need to create a content. So in the first step, we have to create some images. So I have already generated some images using designs.ai image maker tool. If you don't know how to use your image maker tool, you can watch my previous video. I will mention the link in the description. So using your image maker tool, I got a picture of a model's face to use as a base for all of my image. You can generate a model of your own choice using prompts. So here I generated this model that I am going to use in all other images. So here I have got a perfect picture of a model's face to use as a base for all of my other images. Now in the next step, I generated some random images of influencer doing things like sitting on a couch or working in an office. So I generated these random images. But here's the thing, the faces in these images does not match with the face of the model that I want to use as a base for all the other images. Now to fix this issue, simply go to this face swapper option. Now first of all, we have to upload a source face. So here I will upload the image of the model that I want to use as a base for all the other images. So here my main image is uploaded. Now I will upload the target image. So here I will upload the image that I generated randomly. So this tool will simply swap the faces, so it will transfer this face of the main image to this second image. Simply click on face swap. So here is the result. Let's check it out. So as you can see, it has swapped the face and it looks absolutely stunning. I will simply download it. Let me show you the before and after image. So this was the original image and now this is the image after face swap, and you can see how beautifully it has changed the face of the image. So this is my first image for my Instagram influencer and it's looking absolutely stunning. So now to make sure all my Instagram influencer images have the same face, I'll repeat the same process for each image. First, I'll upload the model's picture, the one with the face I want to use. Then I'll upload the influencer image where I want the face to be swapped. It's that simple. So just simply click on face swap. It's done. So let's just check it out. So as you can see, the face has been swapped in this image so professionally, and just like that, I have got two images with the same consistent faces using this amazing face swap tool. You can see how beautiful both of the images look. Simply in love. So in the same way, I will generate my other images as well. I'll repeat the same process for each image. So here is another image ready with the same face. You know what's the best thing about this face swap tool? It does not compromise the quality of the image. You still get crisp and clear results every time. I have used so many face swapper tools and they always ruin the quality of the image. But I really love this one, to be honest. You can see the quality of the image is absolutely stunning. So here I have got some amazing consistent face images for my Instagram page. Now it's time to generate the video. Another great feature of this tool is that it not only helps you swap faces and images but also end videos with just one click. Let me tell you how it works. So first you'll upload the model's face just like we did before. The same face of the model we will use here as well. Then instead of an image, upload the video you want to swap the face in. It's that simple. Just click on the face swap button and the tool will do the rest. In a matter of seconds, you'll have a video featuring your influencer with the same consistent face. Now in the same way, I'll swap the face in another video as well, then I'll show you the final result at the end of the video. So here it's done, now let me show you the final result. That was you, sir. I didn't think what. Wow, it looks absolutely stunning. You can see how beautifully it has swapped the faces in the videos. So in this way, you can create videos for your Instagram influencer account in just one click. Now I will go back to the Instagram account that I created and I will edit this account properly. First of all, I will add a profile photo. Then I will add gender and bio in my Instagram profile. So edit your profile properly. Now I will upload the images and videos that I generated using the face swapper tool. So I will upload all the images using the very nice caption, and don't forget to put hashtags so that you can get some reach as well. So in this way, I will upload all the images and all the videos that I generated. And also include the link to this Instagram page in my description box. Feel free to visit and check out my work. In this way, you can create your own Instagram fake influencer using the same tools and techniques. Now, I'll share a secret trick to start getting followers. Search for similar accounts on Instagram and open any of their posts. Then, open the list of likes on that post and start following the people there. This way, some of them will follow you back and you can start growing your followers and reach. Just remember to be slow while doing this as Instagram may ban your account if you're too fast. So now you can see I have started getting followers as well. Amazing, right?
So that was it. From generating AI models to swapping their faces to one consistent face in both images and videos, you can easily become a fake Instagram influencer with Designs.ai. The link to this website is given in the description below. Visit it to become an AI influencer today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.